Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore Box documents using version and restore tools, detailed guide step by step clearly. To restore Box documents using version and restore tools, begin by logging into your Box account. Navigate to the specific file you wish to restore. Click on the three dots icon next to the file name to access the file options. Select Version History from the drop-down menu. You will see a list of all previous versions of the document. Review the versions displayed, along with timestamps and any comments. Identify the version you want to restore based on these details. Once you find the desired version, click on the icon next to it. Select Restore this version from the options provided. A confirmation prompt will appear asking if you're sure you want to restore this version. Confirm the action to proceed with the restoration. Box will then replace the current version with the one you have selected. You may want to review the restored version to ensure it meets your needs. If necessary, you can make further edits or adjustments. In addition, you can also use the trash feature to recover deleted files. Navigate to the trash section in your Box account. Find the file you want to restore from the list of deleted items. Click on the checkbox next to the file to select it. Then, click on the Restore button at the top of the page. The file will be restored to its original folder. Ensure you check the file again to verify the restoration was successful. Using these tools effectively helps maintain your Box documents and prevents data loss. Always make it a habit to regularly check your version history for important files. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.